Hello and welcome back to my channel where I post weekly videos teaching things like data structures and algorithms, system design and architecture, scalability, and various technologies. My name is Brian McQuay and I've been a programmer for 20 years. Let's get started. So today we're going to talk about duck typing. What is duck typing? It's an interesting one. So Wikipedia says if it walks like a duck and it quacks like a duck, then it must be a duck. And the best summary is here. An object is of a given type if it has all methods and properties required by that type. Okay, that's strange. So I'm going to highlight an example from some code that I worked on once. We had a searcher class that searched for things. We were passing in a type, parameters, and we were checking the type. And if it was class 1, we were calling some function on a class. If it was class 2, we were calling another function. If it was class 3, we were calling yet another function. The reason we were doing it this way, I believe it was just built in different times. This one was built first, this one was built second, then somebody built this one, and then we ended up with this mess here. So what is a duck type? If it walks like a duck and it quacks like a duck, it's a duck. So how can we make all these things similar? We're all passing params in, we're all checking class, we're all just basically searching stuff. So the simplest solution is to just change all of these class names to search. Now we're getting into somewhere. This is much cleaner already, but we still are checking this type, which is kind of strange. So if we were to pass in the actual object instead of the type, somewhere, whatever's calling searcher search already knows the type. So if we were to pass in the resource instead, we could change this to this. Way simpler. So we're just passing in a class, the actual class or the object, and we're calling the function search on it. And since they're all search, it's going to work for all of them. Now, what I like to do is, since this is implicit, right? These are implicit duck types. They all are a searchable type of class. But there's nothing, if I came and created a new class, I just have to kind of know that I need this search function in here. So what I like to do is create a searchable module, something like this, where it's a little bit more explicit what we're supposed to be doing. That way we can kind of see what the duck type's supposed to be. We can kind of see what we need. And if we miss the search, if we miss any other function that we need in this duck type, then it's going to raise an error. And so that's the gist of it. That's duck type. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and extremely powerful to keep your code clean. And that's it. If you have any ideas for how to improve this video, please comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.